Well, when it comes to creating an atmosphere, the Bodoland FC fans have been boisterous in the stands, but when it comes to getting the result in Kokrajhar, the side have been patchy at best. So loftiest dwellers Bodoland FC take on Indian Army football team, out to make amends here. Meanwhile, here comes Indian Army. Christopher, early ball in, the flag stays down and it has trickled in just underneath the goalkeeper. And a blistering start for Indian Army football team is Samir Murmu, who opens the scoring for the visitors here.
Right on the 5 minutes, and that's how it went in. Look at the chip. He was right on the line there. Very difficult to say if it was offside, but Samir Murmu really goes on, glides that ball. Goalkeeper tries, but in vain. And what a goal that is.
Here goes Suresh Mitai, and he makes it count. Sends the keeper the wrong way. And 2-0 Indian Army football team. And the fans have already started to leave the stadium, Henry. Will there be a twist in the tale? In comes the corner. There's the header. Hits the answer underside of the post. And look, and an equalizer for the home team. It's Joe who restores parity in the closing stages of this game. But we need to wait. For the third time, the ball just entering the back of the net, and it's sent off for Thakuri. That's the full-time whistle, and a memorable night for the Indian Army football team with this victory. So at full-time, it's Bodoland FC 1, Indian Army football team 2.